Welcome to my channel. In 2026, France unveiled something the world wasn't ready for, attend that redefine warfare as we know it. It's called the T-87, and it's not just another armored vehicle. It's a silent declaration that the future of defense belongs to precision, power, and intelligence. The T-87 isn't a descendant of its predecessor. It's a rebirth, born from years of innovation, field feedback, and next-gen warfare planning. This tank was crafted with one clear goal: dominance without compromise. At first glance, the T-87 looked like a ghost from the future. Its angular stealth design, low-profile turret, and adaptive camouflage give it an edge before the first shot is even fired. It's nearly invisible to radar and thermal scan. It's not just a machine, it's a phantom on the battlefield. But look are just the start. Beneath its armored skin lies the Quantum Core X engine, a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain that offers unmatched mobility. Whether it's snow, desert, urban terrain, or mountains, the T-87 bleed like a predator in the wild. It boasts a top speed of 85 km/h on road and 65 off-road, une EAR of 4 a tank of its class. With advanced suspension systems and active balance control, it handles like a sport car wearing body armor. But the real power is in the turret. The T-87 main gun is the new 140 mm electromagnetic kinetic cannon. It doesn't just shoot, it launches metal projectile at hypervelocity, capable of punching through an unknown armor from over 5 km away. Paired with that is a modular missile pod system, capable of deploying anti-air, anti-tank, and even drone swarm munition. It's a tank that can handle threats from every direction, including the sky. Then there's the A. The T-87 is powered by Synapsone 4.0, France's most advanced military A. It tracks targets, calculates shot trajectory, manages power systems, and even predict enemy movement. This isn't just artificial intelligence, it's battlefield consciousness. The crew, just two, a commander and a systems officer. With full integration and semi-autonomous control, gone are the days of four-man tank crew. The T-87 fights smarter with fewer boots on the ground. Its internal layout is fully redesigned for survivability. Crew seats are suspended in anti-shock capsule. The floor is mine-resistant. Reactive armor plate in the hull. Even a direct hit doesn't guarantee a kill. Communication are next-gen encrypted laser systems. No radio waves, no interception. When the T-87 talks, only Ali can hear. This keeps coordination silent and secure. It also comes with a swarm drone bay, 8 mini-drones deployable at will. They scout terrain, spot enemies, and even serve a kamikaze explosive. The tank doesn't just see the battlefield, it watches it from every angle. The T-87 also runs entirely on adaptive software. It updates in the field, learns from engagement, and evolves during combat. It's the only tank in the world that gets better every time it fights. One of its most shocking features: Ghost Mode, a complete silent running protocol that Q engine noir, its signature, and electronic emission. The T-87 can stalk enemy lines in near total invisibility. France has already deployed it in training scenarios and the results were stunning. Against legacy tank, the T-87 achieved a kill ratio of 12-1. It didn't just win, it dominated. In simulated urban warfare, it identified targets 40% faster than human-operated systems. In open desert scenarios, it outran helicopters and held defensive lines for hours with minimal damage. And it's not just about offense. The T-87 is a fortress. Layered defense systems detect and intercept incoming missile midair. If you're shooting at the T-87, you better pray it doesn't notice. The cost, yes, it's high, but France isn't just investing in a tank. It's investing in deterrence, survival, and the undeniable message that European defense is no longer lagging, it's leading. Other nations are taking notice. Rumors suggest Germany and Poland are requesting joint exercises. NATO is studying ITS architecture for integration across the alliance. The battlefield is watching, and the future is reacting. What sets the T-87 apart isn't just ITS firepower. It's ITS mindset. It's not designed to follow orders, it's designed to execute mission with precision, even under chaos. It's not a weapon, it's a force. There's talk now about full autonomy. A version of the T-87 with no crew at all, completely robotic warfare. The idea is terrifying, yet somehow inevitable. And the T-87 is the bridge to that future. Some call it overkill, others call it overengineered, but those who've seen it in action call it unstoppable. The T-87 isn't here to compete. It's here to command. When history look back on the 2020s, it may not be smartphone or that defined the era. It might be the moment France rolled out a tank that made the world hold its breath. And as defense evolve, as borders tighten, and as the rules of war are rewritten, one truth remains: whoever has the T-87 on their side, has the advantage. Thanks for watching.